Imagine a world where thoughts control machines. Picture a reality where our minds interact directly with computers. This isn't science fiction. This is the incredible potential of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. BCIs are bridging the gap between our brains and technology. They are opening up a universe of possibilities. This new frontier of neuroscience and engineering is set to revolutionize our lives. BCIs are like translators for the brain. They allow us to communicate with computers and other devices using only our thoughts. This technology holds incredible promise for people with disabilities. It can also enhance human capabilities in ways we never thought possible. BCIs are poised to transform medicine, communication, and entertainment. They will reshape the way we live, work, and interact with the world. The implications of BCI technology are vast. It is essential to understand how these interfaces work. We must explore their potential benefits and challenges. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of BCIs. Together, let's unlock the secrets of the mind and shape the future of human potential. Our brains are intricate networks of neurons. These neurons communicate using electrical signals. These signals generate tiny electrical currents. BCIs can detect these currents. They do this using electrodes. These electrodes are placed on the scalp or implanted directly into the brain. Non-invasive BCIs, like electroencephalography or EEG, use sensors on the scalp to pick up brainwaves. EEG is like listening to the brain's symphony from outside the concert hall. These brainwaves are patterns of electrical activity. They change depending on our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Invasive BCIs, on the other hand, require surgery. Electrodes are implanted directly into the brain's surface or deeper. This allows for more precise signal detection. It's like listening to each individual instrument in the brain's orchestra. BCIs capture the brain's electrical whispers. They translate them into digital signals. This is the first step in bridging the gap between mind and machine. This electrical language of the brain is complex. It requires sophisticated algorithms to decipher its meaning. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. Raw brain signals are noisy and complex. It's like trying to understand a conversation in a crowded room. This is where AI steps in. Sophisticated algorithms are used to filter out the noise. They identify meaningful patterns. This is how we begin to understand the brain's language. AI acts as a translator. It converts brainwaves into commands that computers can understand. Machine learning algorithms are trained on vast datasets of brain activity. They learn to recognize patterns associated with specific thoughts or intentions. Imagine thinking about moving your hand. The BCI detects the corresponding brain activity. AI algorithms analyze the signals. They identify the pattern associated with hand movement. The computer then translates this into a command to move a robotic arm. This is the power of AI in action. AI is constantly evolving. It is becoming more sophisticated at decoding brain signals. As AI advances, so too will the capabilities of BCIs. This partnership between neuroscience and artificial intelligence is unlocking the secrets of the brain. It is paving the way for a future where we can control the world with our minds. The field of BCIs is rapidly advancing. Companies like Neuralink and Synchron are leading the charge. They are developing cutting-edge technologies. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize healthcare and human augmentation. Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, is developing a fully implantable BCI. Its goal is to create a high-bandwidth interface between the brain and computers. Imagine downloading information directly into your brain. Think about controlling your smartphone with your thoughts. This is the vision of Neuralink. Synchron is taking a different approach. They are developing a minimally invasive BCI called the stentrode. It is implanted into the brain through a blood vessel. This eliminates the need for open brain surgery. Synchron's technology is already helping paralyzed patients control computers with their minds. This is a remarkable breakthrough in restoring lost function. These are just two examples of the incredible innovation happening in the BCI field. As research and development continue, we can expect even more groundbreaking advancements in the near future. The race to unlock the brain's full potential is on. Section 5. A world of possibilities. Non-invasive BCIs. Non-invasive BCIs offer a safe and accessible way to interact with technology using our minds. These devices, like EEG headsets, are already being used for a wide range of applications. They are helping people with disabilities, enhancing gaming experiences, and even controlling smart homes. Imagine controlling a wheelchair or prosthetic limb with your thoughts. This is already a reality for some people thanks to non-invasive BCIs. These devices detect brain signals associated with movement intention. They translate them into commands to control external devices. In the gaming world, BCIs are creating immersive and interactive experiences. Players can control in-game actions with their minds, imagine moving objects, casting spells, or even feeling emotions in virtual reality just by thinking about them. This is the future of gaming. Beyond entertainment, non-invasive BCIs are being used to control smart home devices. Imagine turning on the lights, adjusting the thermostat, or playing music simply with your thoughts. This technology has the potential to make our homes more accessible and responsive to our needs. Section 6. Diving deeper: invasive BCIs and their potential. Invasive BCIs offer a more direct link to the brain. This allows for higher fidelity signal detection and more precise control. While these devices require surgery, they hold immense promise for restoring lost function and treating neurological disorders. For people with paralysis, invasive BCIs can bypass damaged nerves. This allows them to regain control of their limbs. Imagine a world where a paralyzed individual can walk again. Imagine them reaching out and feeling the touch of a loved one. This is the life-changing potential of invasive BCIs. Beyond restoring movement, invasive BCIs are being explored as treatments for a range of neurological conditions. Researchers are investigating their use in treating Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and even depression. By stimulating or inhibiting specific brain regions, these devices could alleviate symptoms and improve the quality of life. The development of invasive BCIs raises ethical considerations. We must ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and ethically. Open discussions about safety, privacy, and informed consent are crucial as we venture into this uncharted territory. Section 7. Healing and enhancing BCIs in healthcare. BCIs are poised to revolutionize healthcare. They offer new hope for treating neurological disorders. They have the potential to restore lost function and improve the lives of millions. From paralysis to Parkinson's disease, BCIs are being explored as a radical new approach to treatment. Imagine a world where Parkinson's tremors are a distant memory. BCIs can detect the abnormal brain activity associated with these tremors. They can deliver targeted electrical stimulation to regulate neural activity. This can significantly reduce or even eliminate debilitating symptoms. For people who have lost their ability to speak due to stroke or other conditions, BCIs offer a voice. These devices can decode brain signals associated with language. They can translate them into text or even synthesize speech. This can give a voice back to those who feared they had lost it forever. The potential applications of BCIs in healthcare are vast and still being explored. As research progresses, we can anticipate even more innovative uses for this technology. It could one day become a standard tool in the fight against neurological disorders. Section 8. Beyond reality: BCIs in gaming and entertainment. BCIs are pushing the boundaries of gaming and entertainment. They create immersive experiences that blur the lines between reality and the virtual world. Imagine controlling in-game actions with your thoughts, feeling the rush of a virtual roller coaster, or experiencing the emotions of a character in a film. This is the future of entertainment. BCI-powered games allow players to control avatars and environments with their minds. This creates a level of immersion and interactivity never before possible. Imagine competing in a virtual race where your focus and concentration directly impact your performance. This is the power of BCIs in gaming. Beyond gaming, BCIs have the potential to revolutionize how we experience movies and music. Imagine a film that adapts to your emotions, intensifying scenes when you're on the edge of your seat, or softening them when you're feeling overwhelmed. Music could also become a personalized experience, with BCIs adjusting tempo and melody to match your mood. The entertainment industry is constantly seeking new ways to engage audiences. BCIs offer a glimpse into the future of immersive and interactive experiences. As this technology matures, we can expect even more innovative and mind-blowing applications to emerge. Section 9. A future interconnected brain-to-brain communication. Imagine a world where we can communicate directly with each other's minds. This might sound like science fiction, but it is a real possibility thanks to the emerging field of brain-to-brain communication, or B2B. Imagine sharing thoughts, emotions, and even skills without speaking a word. This is the promise of B2B. Researchers have already demonstrated the possibility of B2B communication in controlled settings. In one experiment, participants were able to play a game of 20 questions using only their thoughts. This was achieved by transmitting brain signals from one person to another, using BCIs. While B2B technology is still in its infancy, the implications are far-reaching. It could revolutionize communication, education, and even human collaboration. Imagine a world where knowledge and skills could be transferred directly from one brain to another. This could have a profound impact on education and training. The ethical implications of B2B communication are significant. We must carefully consider the potential risks and benefits of this technology before it becomes widespread. Privacy, consent, and security are paramount concerns that must be addressed.